Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can pay on Roblox with gift card. So once you need to do is to open Roblox and log in into your account, and here you can see an option. Here you simply need to click on that and click on buy Robux. Wait for few seconds and now you can see different packages. So let's suppose I want to buy this package. So you simply need to click here, and once you are here you can see different payments option, and here you can see redeem Roblox card. Click on that option, and once you are on that page, here you can see redeem card in the section below. Then you need to add your card pin here, like here you can see example pin, and click on redeem. Once you redeem that, you simply need to click on submit order. So this is the process how you can pay on Roblox with gift card. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.